Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to Online Teaching Academy Ekkalaiva. Today I am going to discuss how to find sum of first n terms of GP. Right? GP means what? Geometric progression. GP means what? Geometric progression. Nth term of some formula first you write sum of n terms. Sum of n terms of a GP. Of a GP. Geometric progression, right? Sum of n terms of a GP. That should be represented by capital Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. R not equal to 1, right? R is represented in AP we use today D, common difference. Here it is a common ratio. R is represented common ratio. A is represented first term, right? Out the series whose terms are in geometric progression is called geometric series, right? The general format or general terms, what are they, right? A power A into R, A R square, etc. A power A into R power n minus 1, etc. be the geometric progression, right? Geometric progression. In AP, how the format it should be A comma A plus B comma A plus 2B like that. Here the terms become AR square, like that it will go on. Right? Now, exercise 2.8 we are going to discuss. Right? Exercise 2.8. Question number 1. Find the sum of first n terms of GP. First n terms of GP. First subdivision 5 minus 3, comma 9 by 5, comma minus 27 by 25, comma etc. Right? What is the formula first? Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. What is your A? A equal to 5. What is your R? R equal to second term divided by first term. In AP, how to do? Second term minus. That's why we said difference. Here divide. That's why we call it as ratio. Right? Keep it in your mind, children. R equal to. Right? Now, which is not equal to 1. Which is not equal to 1. Now, Sn. Formula you have to go. Sn equal to. A should be replaced by 5. R should be replaced by minus 3 by 5, the whole power n minus 1 divided by minus 3 by 5 minus 1. Got it? Say yes or no? Now, this is equal to 5 into this bracket. Okay, this is important. Now, minus 3 by 5, the whole power n minus 1 divided by minus 8 by 5. Minus 8 by 5. You have to take LCM and say, right? Now the denominator is a fraction, the 5 it will go to the numerator. Now Sn equal to minus 25 by 8 into minus 3 by 5 the whole n minus 1. What is children? Now I'm going to take minus as common. Then how it becomes? The plus minus 25 becomes plus 25 by 8. Minus I'm going to take it as common. No, the 1 should be common as the first. This one it will move to the second. Minus of minus 3 by 5 the whole power n. Got it children? Now I am going to move to second subdivision. What is the second subdivision? A equal to 256. Second subdivision, what it is given? 256, 64, 16, etc. R equal to second term divided by first term. Second term is 64 divided by 256, which is equal to 1 by 4, equal to 1. Now, Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. The formula on and off you have to recall children. Then only it should be registered in your mind. A is 256. What is your R? 1 by 4 the whole power n minus 1 divided by 1 by 4 minus 1. Now, we are going to simplify. Sn equal to 256 into, sorry, not into, bracket we can use, right? 256, 1 by 4 the whole power n minus 1 divided by, you have to take LCM, what can you get? Minus 3 by 4, right? Minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Then the 4 it will go to the numerator. Then what it becomes? Minus 256 into 4 divided by 3. 1 by 4 the whole power n minus 1, which is equal to 1 0 minus 1 0 2 divided by 3. Right? Say yes or no children? Now into 1 by 4 the whole power n minus 1. Then you have to take minus as common. What we did in the previous essay, which is equal to 1024 divided by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 the whole power n. Got it children? Now I am going to move to question number 2. Find the sum of first 6 terms of the GP. Right? 6 terms. That means they are expecting S6. Right? What is the GP is given to you? The series 5, 15, 45, etc. It is given. A equal to 5. R equal to second term divided by first term. N equal to 6. That means S6 equal to A into, first you have to write the formula Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Here it is not equal to 1. A. What is your A? Which is not equal to 1. What is your A children? A is 5. A equal to 5. R what it is? 3. N what it is? 6 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. 5 into 3 power 6 minus 1 divided by 2. Got it, children? Say yes or no. Now, 5 into 3 power 6. 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are 81. 81 9s are 729 minus 1 divided by 2. Right? Now, S6 equal to 5 into 728 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6 are 4s are. So 5 into 3 64. 5 4s are 20 remaining 2. 5 6 are 30 32 remaining 3. 5 3s are 15 15 plus 3 18. Right? Therefore 5 plus 15 plus 45 plus etc. up to 6 terms equal to 1820. Have you all got it, children? Say yes or no. Now I am going to move to question number 3. What it is given, I am going to read the question. Find the first term of the GP. That means A they are expecting. The common ratio 5. R is given. Sum to first 6 terms is 46872. That means S6 is given. Right? What are the things are given? R equal to 5. S6 equal to 46872. To find A. They are expecting to find A. Right? What is your formula? You have to recall. The formula alone you have to recall. Right, children? Say yes or no. Now, Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Here, what is your n? Given n equal to 6. Right? Given what it is? N equal to 6. Now, 4, 6, 8, 7, 2 equal to A into 5 power 6 minus 1 divided by 5 minus 1. A into 5 power 6. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 25. 625. 625 into 25. 15625 minus 1 divided by 4. Now 46872 equal to A into 15624 divided by 4. Right, children? Now we are going to divide. 4 3s are 12, 36, 4 9s are 0, 6, which implies 46872 equal to 3906A. Now we are going to divide 46872 divided by 3906. A equal to 46872 divided by 3906. Right? When you divide, you can get 1, 2. I have to do the addition here. 46872 3906. One time. 3906. 1 8 16 9. What it becomes? 7. Right? 7 8 1 2. That should be 2. 2 times. 2 2s are 6 2s are 12, remaining 1. 9 2s are 18, remaining 1. 7. So your remainder is 0. Therefore, the first term of the GP is first term, sorry, first term of GP equal to 12. What is, children? Say yes or no? Yes. Now, question number 4. What it is given, you see, find the sum to infinity of 9 plus 3 plus 1 plus etc. So first subdivision, what is your a equal to 9. What is your r equal to 3 by 9, which is equal to 1 by 3, not equal to 1, right? Sum to infinity, here minus 1 less than or less than 1. Sum to infinity means, what is the formula? Sum equal to a by 1 minus r. That is the formula, right? Sum to infinity means a by 1 minus r. Sum to infinity, a by 1 minus r, that formula. Sum to n terms means a into r power n minus 1 divided by 1 minus r. Sum to infinity means a by 1 minus r, which is equal to 9 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 9 divided by 2 by 3, which is equal to 20 by 2 equal to 13.5. 13.5. Sum to infinity. You have to write and show. Therefore, 9 plus 3 plus 1 plus etc. equal to 27 by 2, which is equal to 13.5. Second subdivision. What is your a here? A equal to 21. What is your sum to infinity? No, right? What is your r? Sorry, what is your r? R equal to 14 divided by 21. That means 7 2s are 7 3s are. Common ratio means second term divided by first term. Right? Second term divided by first term. It is a geometric series that we want to check. Right? Second term divided by first term. This is your R1. R2 equal to 28 divided by 3. 28 divided by 3 divided by 14. Right? Now the 3, it will come to the denominator. So 28 divided by 3 into 14. 14 2s are. So your thing is 2 by 3. Here the common ratios are equal. Common ratios are equal. Common ratios are equal. 2 by 3 equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, it is a geometric series. How to check whether it is geometric or not? This is the process. Geometric series with a equal to 21, r equal to 2 by 3, minus 1 less than or less than 1. Right? What is children? Now sum to infinity. Sum equal to a by 1 minus r. What is your a? A is 21 divided by 1 minus 2 by 3, which is equal to 21 divided by 1 by 3, which is equal to 63. The 3 will go to the numerator. Therefore, Therefore, sum equal to, that is series you have to write it better. Therefore, 21 plus 14 plus 28 by 3 plus etc. equal to 63. Sum to infinity means what is the formula, children? Sum equal to a by 1 minus r, where r lies between minus 1 and 2. There Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, where r not equal to 1. Got it, children? Thank you, children. You have to go through the thing. Tomorrow we will discuss. If you have any doubt, we will discuss, or otherwise we will continue to do the sum. Right, children? Thank you.